This is the Joovv Mini 3.0 red light infrared phototherapy device. It's my very first red light therapy device. I've had it for a very long time. You can already see it's getting a little like yellowish. Comes with a nice stand and a power outlet right here. Very unique proprietary power outlet, which was very interesting. It uses like this yellow thing to click in so it doesn't fall out, and it has an AC out. So today I'm gonna share what I like and don't like about it. You got the buttons on this side, the actual red light panels. The stand is pretty flexible, and you got some ports right here for in out, I think, to connect multiple panels. And this thing, look at that. That thing can almost go this way and then fold over this way. It's pretty crazy. So let's plug this bad boy in. This is about 15 inches high, 8.75 inches wide, and a height and depth of about 2.34 inches. Plug this sucker in, and now you can see it is now powering on. So this is really meant for people who want medical grade safety over cost savings. This thing is not cheap. And if you plan to ever expand with modular devices, they do sell larger devices too. It's great for your face, joints, and other problem areas if you want full body coverage. It weighs about 7 pounds. They have 60 LEDs, 30 red and 30 near infrared. And the wavelengths are 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers, which is near infrared. The power is about 180 watts. And you get about 50,000 hours of the LED lifespan and a 2-year warranty. Now, how does this work? There are 660 nanometer red light that penetrates about 1 to 2 millimeters for skin level collagen production and wound healing. And then there's the 850 nanometer, which reaches 5 to 10 millimeters into your skin for muscle recovery and joint pain relief. So you're really only getting those two. I think some light panels are adding more and more. We can go ahead and turn this bad boy on so you can see how the red light looks, like so. You can hear that's the fan running, so it is a little bit louder. I think most red lights will have a fan just to cool the LEDs from the light that they're pouring out. And there's a 10-second gradual power up and then a ramp up to prevent sudden light shock to your eyes. There are brands that will give you glasses like this that you can wear. I think there are brands that can give you glasses like this, but red light has also shown to potentially help improve your eyes. Now you want to position this about 16 to 24 inches away from your treatment area for optimal irradiance, and then do a 10-minute session for that body area. Use it 4 to 5 times weekly. So you can see right here, so it's pretty red. I can already feel the warmth. If you go to like a red light place, you're gonna be paying like 100, 200 bucks. Where Joovv kind of makes this premium product of red light therapy. I can go ahead and control the settings on the side right here. You can see there's a timer that's going off. There's about 9 minutes left. I can change the timer. I can change the controls. If I want to activate the near infrared, I can turn that on and off. The intensity of the light. I can pause the red light therapy session if I want as well. And then there's also a Joovv app where you can connect this device to the app to be able to control it as well. And if you want to start this as a standalone device, maybe you put it on your desk, and while you're working, the red light therapy is on. It's great. If you want to expand to like the half max, so start doing full body stuff, you can connect these two on like a rack and have them synchronized. So that's really valuable. And then you can build up to the elite system, which is 6 panels, and that's very expensive, over $1,200. So those are the physical cables on the back that help you connect that. There's an ambient sleep support mode, so you can have soft dim red light to help with the circadian rhythm. So just light up the room with red lights. The app has been okay. I don't use the app very often. I think red light therapy is something you just want to show up, press the button, hang out, use it, and then go about your day. So I love that. It's just like a timer based. You know it's going to turn off when you're done. You don't have to like keep checking the timer. It powers up pretty fast. There's a little bit of noise levels. I mean, this one is small enough where you can put it on your desk. So if you just want to use it for your face, you can. Some of the potential problems. There might be higher EMF compared to other competitors from other independent testing has shown. There's digital static noise, even when it's plugged in but turned off. And then there are budget comparisons that have lower EMF scores. So if that's something that's important to you, that's something to think about. But the Joovv Mini 3.0 is $1,200. And then there's the Mini Stand 3.0, which is 250 bucks. There's the boot floor stand, which is 200 bucks. The oversized door kit, so if you want to hang this on your door, for $85. And then if you want to upgrade to bigger ones, there's the half max kit, which is a mini and a solo, for $3,300. There's the max kit, which is 2 minis and 2 solos, and that's $6,600. And then the elite kit, which is 6 solo panels, so they're like much bigger, and that's $12,500. And then the other options are MitoPure, some other brands that I've tested as well. We'll have those videos linked down below. But if you want a more in-depth red light therapy channel, do a red light therapy video, do let me know. We'll have that link in the description below. Remember, this is linked in the description. Use the discount code @Shervin Shares. Follow me on Instagram on all the socials. If you want me to do I tested every red light panel, comment, and we'll make the app. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.